Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Chris. I'm the founder of Vantoro Marketing. It's a cold email marketing agency. And today I'm going to show you how to create email inboxes for cold email. It's the best way to do it in 2025. And there's two things you're going to need. You're going to need scaled mail to create the inboxes, and then you're going to use Instantly to send the emails with those inboxes. So make an account for each one of those. Get all set up. And then, so what you're going to do is you're going to go into scaled mail. You're going to go to the marketplace. You can pick whichever option works best for you. For the sake of this video, I'm going to use this one. All right. So now what you're going to do is you're going to select the domains that you want to use to create those inboxes, which you can do right here on Scaled Mail. So buy domains from Scaled Mail. Continue. All right, so use this bar here to create ideas for your domains. So I'll put this in, which is the name of my business. You're going to want to use .com or .co for sending. So select those two. Okay, can't use a space. There you go. All right, hit enter. These are going to be the domain ideas. I'd probably split them up evenly. Half of them end in .com, half of them end in .co. So we need 12 of these for this option. All right, boom, there we go. We got 12 domains. We're going to continue to check out. All right, so to start, looks like it's going to be 144.75 to start, and that includes all of the domains and the inboxes, which is a pretty good deal. So, and it's works out because Scaled Mail actually has really good quality inboxes and domains. All their stuff works really well. As far as price and quality, Scaled Mail is really the best way to go. So I highly recommend using them. And so we're going to pay this up front. All right, now we're going to give them access to our email sequencer, which is instantly.ai. So we're going to select Instantly. Make sure the login is correct here. And if you're doing this for yourself, you could just put the name of the workspace that you're using. If you're doing it for a client, if you are also a cold email agency, put the client's workspace. So I'm going to put my organization. All right, which is correct, my organization. Boom. Hit next. And you're going to want to add a redirect. So the redirect is if someone clicks one of those domains that you just bought, it'll send that person over to whatever domain you want, which is probably your main website or landing page or homepage or whatever it is. So we'll do my main domain for my business. Add same redirect for all of them. And this is the sender name. So you can put whatever name you want. You can put your name. You can put a woman's name. I've heard that those get higher responses. So we'll do Rebecca. All right. We finish. And there we go. We're good to go. One last thing that you're going to want to do is give them access to make edits. So you're going to want to invite them to your sequencer, which again is instantly.ai. So go to the guide in Scaled Mail, go to how to invite us for email sequencers. All right, pick your sequencer, and then you're going to copy this email here. Go back to your Instantly. Go to your settings and Instantly. Account and settings. Add a new member. All right, give them admin privileges so that they can do everything except delete all your data. All right, you're good to go. So you should see those inboxes populate in Instantly, and then once they are in your Instantly, you can start getting them warmed up and ready to send. So that's it. Scaled Mail is the best. Use them. Appreciate it. Love you guys.